Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to set up 18% tax types for sale and purchase for apparel footwear. To begin, go to the Setup menu, click on Setup Taxes and open Setup Tax Types for Sale window. Define the tax description as GST Sale Apparel 18%. Link it with the GST Sale 18% account. Next, select the sales tax account as SGST Output 9%. Define Tax 1 and Tax 3 as 9%. In the Tax 1 account column, assign CGST Output 9%. After that, enable the option Use for GST and set the GST type as CGST SGST. In the same way, we will now set up the tax types for inclusive taxes. In the case of inclusive tax types, define Tax 1 as 9%, Tax 2 as 18%, and Tax 3 as 9%. The remaining settings will stay the same. For the IGST sale tax types, enter the tax description as IGST Sale Apparel 18%. In the Sales Account column, allocate the IGST Sale 18% account. Choose IGST Output 18% in the Sales Tax Account column. Then, under the Tax 3 column, define the rate as 18%, set the GST type to IGST, and mark it as Use for GST. Similarly, create the tax type for IGST Sale Apparel 18% inclusive, choosing IGST Output 18% in the Sales Tax Account column. Define the tax percentage as 18% in both the Tax 2 and Tax 3 columns. Save these settings, and now we will set up the tax types for purchases. To do this, open the Setup Tax Types for Purchase window. Just like we created the tax types for sales, we will now set up the tax types for purchase. Follow the same steps as shown in the video. The key difference here is that, instead of output, all input accounts will be linked. Once all the purchase tax types are configured, make sure to save the changes.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.